Correction. Best of 3 finals. I'm sorry. Malish. Best of 3 finals pala. This is the first game. Here comes the man of steel. Running jumper off the board. 4-2. Eugenio on the pull, offline, the frequent flyer on the fast break, stolen by the jewel of the now. Here's the base, kicks it out to the babyface assassin, he knocks it down on the right hand lip. 7 minutes and 6 seconds remaining on the third. It's 46-49, 3-point lead by the North Luzon. Maran. 10 seconds to shoot. The man of steel recovers the ball. The frequent flyer from downtown, offline, out of bounds. Yunus ball. Substitution for the North Luzon Scallompers. Fernando out. Alejandro from Target Steel Industry in. The babyface assassin, referee says no count, foul down low, foul committed by number
Bakit no count?
31.
Eh, na-release naman.
His third personal foul, team foul number 2 for the North Luzon. The cool count on the perimeter, he missed the shot, the frequent flyer grabbing the board, floating in the air. Mighty Mike to number 13 on the quick jumper. He missed the shot. 6 minutes and 10 seconds remaining on the third. It's 49-46. 3-point lead by the North Luzon. The ace of Mace. Lose the ball down low. Here comes the North Luzon fast break. It's 4 against 2. Solitario Alejandro knocks it down for 2. Alley-oop to the destroyer inside, using the board, and it goes out. 13, lose the ball, there's a base, nice trip. There's a base, backs it down, and 1. Basket counts, plus a foul. Substitution. Bongano run out. Tunglao. His first personal foul, team foul number Tunglao, first personal foul. Romel, nice move to basket.
On miss.
13 foul for the North Luzon. Eugenio from downtown, he missed the shot. Down to 5 minutes and 5 seconds remaining on the third. Mighty Mike. Here comes Asho, back again to Mighty Mike. Rejected by the inside base. Dynamite pass to Asho, to number 1, Ronaldo. 10 seconds to shoot. Solitario from downtown, he missed the shot. By a 40 rebound below for the North Luzon Scallompers. Asho handed out to Mighty Mike. It's 53-49, 4-point lead by the North Luzon. Alejandro rejected by the base, fast break. Here comes the cool cat. He missed the open shot. He recovers the ball, he passed it to the wrong guy. Here comes Mighty Mike. Slowing things down. Non-stop action between the two teams. 10 seconds to shoot. 13 is open off the break. What a play by the North Luzon Scallompers. Timeout. And the North Luzon Scalloperts, the Destiny versus the
Go,
Dynasty.
miss!
4 minutes and 4 seconds remaining on the third.
Dennis! Pasok ka!
The jewel of the now to the ace of base. Setting up the play on the defense is Solitario. Referee says there was a blocking foul committed. Oh, correction, offensive foul committed by number 7, the ace of base.
Uy, dahil ng foul na kuya ko, tatlo na.
His third personal foul. 13th foul for the UMS. Ronel. Correction, first team foul for the UMS.
Correction.
Males. Tao lang. Nice pass inside, but he loses the ball. Turnover, UMS ball.
Good miss!
16 in. Down to 3 minutes and 33 seconds remaining on the third. Nice cut inside by the babyface assassin. He knocks it down and one. Basket counts plus a foul. Foul committed by number 8, Asho.
Shoot mo, Kuya Romer.
His first personal foul, warning for penalty, North Luzon Scalloperts. Eugenio on the stripe, shooting for the bonus free throw. And he completes the three-point play. Our official score, it's 52-55. The North Luzon is ahead by 3. Man-to-man defense provided by the UMS. Here comes Ronel. Escape. His defender dips a do, and he's hammered in the air.
Bye, Gayo.
Foul committed by number 16, Gayoso. His first personal foul. Team foul number 2 for the UMS. Ronel missed the first free throw shot. Aiming for the second. And he missed it again.
Yes!
Correction, our official score. It's 51-55.
Huh?
Only a 4-point lead by the North Luzon. The babyface assassin is being hounded by number 8. Down low to the destroyer, showing his presence inside, and he connects. 2 minutes and 56 seconds remaining on the third. 53-55. 2-point lead by the North Luzon.
Defense!
10 seconds to shoot. Here comes Ronel. Ronel, desperation tray. Over and out.
Nice
Out of
defense!
bounds, UMS ball. Of the best of 3 finals between the UMS and the North Luzon Scalloperts. Third period po tayo mga kapatid. Ang ating oras, 2 minuto, 32 segundo ang nananabi. The cool cat down low to the babyface assassin, making his move on the baseline. Referee says he stepped down the line. Turnover, North Luzon ball.
Sayang naman.
The man of steel is open. And
Sinong foul?
is foul in the air by number 5, Capellan. Malesh. Hindi ko
Wala. Sa pang wala.
The man of steel, air ball. Mahina. Ubos ata ang lakas. Ang kapangyarihan ng bakal. The destroyer inside. Number for the loose ball. Stolen by Alejandro from target
Defense!
steel. Stolen by Gayoso. The babyface is down low to the destroyer, and he is fouled in the air.
Good defense!
By